dinner. Gloves are a bit wet. I'm gonna go dry them by the fire. I got a sweet potato and a little bit of tin foil here. We're gonna wrap that up. There you go. Got a nice pile of coals here. Bury that sweet potato in the coals for about 45 minutes. Most foods cook at around 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Hold your hand over the fire and count 1, 2, 3. And when you can get to 3 without it hurting, that's about 375 degrees Fahrenheit. So right about here. Oh, that's done. Put that there. Let's take a peek. That's looking pretty good. Some honey and butter I'm gonna put on there. Sweet potato is so mushy. It's exactly how it should be. I'm gonna put a little cinnamon on my sweet potato and on my bread. We got sweet potato and cinnamon, honey butter and bread, and 2 massive chunks of seasoned steak. There you go. This is my cow horn mug. I made this. Also made this griddle. I got a video explaining how I made these things. It's pretty easy. I'll put a link in the video description below. That is good.